So this is just a callus on the left side, on the outer source of the little pinky toe. Using the Medicool 35K Pro Power cordless electric filer. I'm using a cone ceramic barrel. From here, just kind of have it on forward, just about maybe 14 to 18, and just kind of grinding it slowly. You just want to keep touch, tap, tap. You don't want to really press and grind down because that's going to really burn the skin off and really hurt the person. So basically, you just kind of keep going all around until you really start smoothing things out. Things start looking better over time. If this cone one doesn't work, there's different types and shapes you can start working out on to help smooth out better. But usually I do well with this one that gets off like the basic calluses like this. And I'll use baby wipes to wipe it down just to see how much is left. As you can see, the top portion is looking good. A little dry cracks underneath. It's mostly just dry skin, but we'll just try to smooth out as much as possible by just going all around it. So right now I'm just going to speed things up. Usually a session like this for a basic callus is just on like one end would probably take about 5-10 minutes depending your technique and how fast you go and stuff, but it shouldn't take you too long. Thick calluses and stuff take actually a little longer. But overall, I just set the setting on reverse mode, so I'm pretty much going back up instead of forward where it's pointing down. So the rotator is going upwards. So pretty much getting everything here. There's this little skin tag or a little skin that's just hanging out there. Kind of hard to get it. I might have to just like trim it with some scissors and stuff. And if not, just apply lotion. It'll probably clear up over time. But now you're really close to the skin, so it can slightly start burning the client here. So you just want to be careful because it's already generating a lot of heat. So there's this little stubborn little thing right here. But overall, I'll try to see if I can get it off. If I can't, it's just some lotion and stuff will help. But everything's pretty much cleared off. Skin's just obviously a little irritated just from the shaving and the callus. But overall, should feel nice and smooth and better overall. Just applying ammonia lactate lotion will help keep things clear and hopefully not have it recur back. And just loose fitting shoes and just the way people walk and stuff should help prevent it from coming back again. But overall, I don't think I'm going to be getting this little extra skin that's over here with the filer. So I'll just let it be from here. And that's about it. Yeah. So this is the final result from a different angle. Everything looks really nice and smooth. Just the skins are irritated, but after applying ammonia lactate lotion, but after a couple of days, it will look much better. It will feel much better. I had that little skin that was hanging out, so that's pretty much gone. But here it is.